NGS antenna calibrations automatically into GNSS solutions. So you're probably familiar with the NGS antenna calibration screen. If you've got internet, if you're on the internet, the location is www.ngs.noaa.gov/ and then in all uppercase letters, ANTCAL. If you go to this page, you'll find a list of all of the manufacturers, and you can click on a manufacturer name and then choose an antenna. There's literally hundreds of antennas that have calibration resources associated with them here. Now I'm going to click on Complete Relative Antenna Calibration Results, and up at the top is your relative antenna calibrations. And if you click on this link to the right, it'll download a text file that has all of the antenna names that the NGS has calibrated. Now we need to save this file, and to do that, I'm going to pick File, Save As. I'm going to change my file type to a text file, and I'm going to save it in My Documents, and I'm going to call it ANTCAL.003, and I'm going to put the file name inside of quotes. If I don't put the file name inside of quotes, the Windows Explorer program or Windows will change the name to antcal.003.txt, and I want it to be antcal.003. Click Save there. So I've saved that entire text file. I'm going to run GNSS Solutions without a project. I'm going to pick Tools and then GNSS Antennas. And then this right-hand button over here, if we hover over it, it says Import. I'll click it, and I'll click on my antcal.003. Now, this will bring in the latest antenna calibrations for all of the antennas in the NGS library. I'll click on Yes to All. And so any new antennas that have been checked by the NGS will be listed in here now. The reason I did this is you'll notice that just recently the NGS started putting the file name or the word none. And so this NOV 702GG none, there's two entries in here. One has a none and one doesn't. These are the DOME types, and a lot of the Rhinox files that you'll download off of the internet have the none in their file name. This just makes it a little bit easier for us to bring in files, antenna files. Click the X here, and now we've got all of those extra antenna files